Do you know you can create a complete SEO optimized fitness blog with structure, images, FAQs, and formatting in under 3 minutes? Well, this blog you're seeing wasn't written manually. No outlining, no editing, no plugin jugglings. It was built using Autoblogging.ai and it's ready to publish. Let me show you exactly how I built this step by step. So once you log in into Autoblogging.ai, inside your dashboard, there are different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going to go with wizard because it walks you through everything from the blog title to formatting, tone, structure, and the add-ons. Now, article title, I'm going to type your ultimate home workout plan, no equipment needed. So it gives AI a focused topic and everything else built around this. For the language, I'm going to keep it English, but if your audience is international, you can choose 30 language options here. Article length, I'm going to pick medium here because this gives you enough room to explain the routine, offer tips, and still keeps it skimmable. And here's what others do. Short is for real recaps or a weekly challenge snippet, and long is like a more deep dive or a guide about it. So medium. Here I'm going to pick informative because this setting tells the AI to build the blog like a guide and step by step. But here's what others do. Listicle is great if you are breaking down the content into points or list. Places is for location based content, and service bar landing pages is best for program or landing pages. Informative. Here I'm going to pick second person because this blog will speak directly to the reader, and you can also choose first person if you're writing like a personal experience blog, and third person for a more formal editorial tone. Second person. The tone, I'm going to pick conversational because we want the blog to sound more friendly, motivating. But here's what other style do. Auto lets AI decide based on your title. Less AI words reduce robotic phrases. Premium style 1 adds SEO friendly structure. Snippet optimizer helps you appear in Google snippet box. Witty is more casual and fun. Conversational is friendly, and professional is more editorial and good for polished brand content. Now here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Alright, intense optimized article. It improves the structure, the keyword placement, and the flow of the blog. FAQs will include relevant questions your readers are already Googling. AI images will add royalty-free images related to the workout, and infographics inserts simple visuals like workout order and breakdowns. SERP analysis. Now I always recommend turning this on. Autoblogging will look at the blogs that are already ranking for your topic and figure out the structure they're using and apply that to your blog. So your content is still original, but now it's built using a format that already works. By enabling this in the source context box, you can tell AI what you want in this article to be. And SERP location will, you can select the country where you want to rank first. I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes here again. Outline from competition. It follows the layout of high ranking blogs. External link will add links to trusted fitness sites or references. YouTube video will add related YouTube videos in the blog, and add key takeaways will add a summary section at the end of the blog, and it is useful for readers who skim. AI proofreading. I'm just going to enable this and quickly instruct here, let's say check for grammar, sentence flow and tone, and fix anything that sounds off. So yeah, I always usually keep a note here. Internal linking. Now, if you already have fitness blogs on your site, like a warm-up routines or a diet plans, you can just enable this and add your domain here, and Autoblogging will automatically link this new post to those related articles, and it helps with SEO and keeps users on your site for longer. Human proofreading. Now, if you want an editor to manually review the blog before posting, then just enable this, and you can leave an instruction like check for clarity and make sure workout order is safe for beginners. And so this use human proofreading credits, and you can purchase them from your dashboard anytime. Now just click on the generate article, click on the history tab, scroll down and click on the view like icon given you. And your full blog is ready, structured SEO ready, images and infographics added, FAQs and the summary section is already there with visuals. And do you also see the YouTube video that is already attached? If you want to be quicker next time, here's what you can do in the mode. Just go to single and just enter your title, and there are few steps. It is basically just like wizard but with fewer clicks. And we also have a bulk generate option here where you can upload 10 to 100 art titles and generate in one go. It is perfect for agencies or planning weekly content calendars. If you're building a fitness blog or creating content for clients or even your own brand, Autoblogging.ai gives you a way to publish fast without compromising quality. And if you want to skip the content process completely, we have got a done for you blog service as well. Just hand us the topic and we'll handle the writing. Now, if you like this video, then subscribe and drop your next fitness blog idea in the comments, and I'll show you how to build that.